class example number 4. Okay, immediately Control J. Let's just get in the habit of doing that every time. And now we want the oval marquee tool. So we select our ecliptic tool, we drag it over, and again to select, transform selection, and we can move it around wherever we want it. Let's have a look at that. Not bad. Enter and Control J to copy up the selection. Let's have a look there. There we have it. And now once again we want to put on a stroke. Effects menu, stroke, defaults on black, we'll change that. Once again we'll use white. And at this stage we can say, okay, let's do it this way, and then back and drop shadow now. Drop shadow, we're going to take it up here. It basically comes from the direction from which it comes, so the drop shadow will come at the bottom. Increase the spread, increase the distance. Happy with that, we can take it straight to the top over there, you see, and don't forget we can click and manipulate the drop shadow like that. Right, okay. Activate the layer below again. Working on the layer, so we just click there and make it blue, so that is the active layer. And now we'll go to Image, Adjustments, and we'll go down to Hue and Saturation. So all we want to do now is desaturate the background layer, and by doing that we click on the saturation slider and we pull it down, which desaturates the back, making it into a black and white image. Press OK. And there we have our effect. Desaturated, we've popped out the lady, and it's really effective. And again, your eye goes straight to the center, to your focal point, which is really what you want, and that's what the image is all about. Simple little effect, same as our first one, but instead of using the square tool, we use the eclipse tool. Thank you.